In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the IN operator in Snowflake. The IN operator is an incredibly useful tool when you're writing queries, as it helps you filter your query results efficiently. Imagine you have a massive data set, and you're interested in extracting information relevant to only specific items. This is precisely where the IN operator comes into play. It allows you to check if a particular value matches any value in a given list or a subquery, making it significantly easier to pinpoint the data you need. Let's delve into a practical example. Suppose you're working with a table of employees and you want to retrieve details of those working in specific departments like sales, marketing, or HR. To achieve this, you would use a query that filters out employees based on their department. The process is straightforward and begins with writing your SQL select statement. This statement essentially tells Snowflake which data to retrieve from your table. Following select gives you all columns, and you specify the table's name, which, in this case, is employees. Next comes the crucial part, the where clause. This is where the IN operator takes center stage. You'd write where followed by the column name which records the department information. Typically, this column could be named Department. After the column name, you place the IN keyword, followed by the list of departments enclosed in parentheses. This list represents the values you're checking against. It's crucial to ensure the values in the list are formatted correctly within single quotes and separated by commas. So you will have sales, marketing, HR after the IN keyword. This query structure tells Snowflake to search for employees in any of those specified departments. If an employee is part of sales, marketing, or HR, their information will pop up in your query results. Remember, order and syntax matter. Each part of the query must be in the correct place, and all elements like parentheses, single quotes, and commas are essential for the query to run smoothly. Also, keep an eye on your spellings for department names or any column names you're working with to avoid errors. In summary, the IN operator is a handy shortcut in SQL for filtering data. It reduces the need for multiple OR conditions by neatly encapsulating a list of values you're interested in checking. With this operator, your queries become not only more readable but also more efficient. So the next time you're working with Snowflake and need to fetch data based on multiple criteria, consider using the IN operator for streamlined results. This wraps up our quick guide on using the IN operator in Snowflake. Thanks for watching, and happy querying.